Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of game quality on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve game quality on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Roblox, and you can click here. After that you can click on first app and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn on your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.